Hello everyone, this is the first video of the Unreal Engine C++ shooter course. In this video, I will show you how to download the Unreal Engine. And first go to the browser and go to the Unreal Engine official website, unrealengine.com. Click on the download button. Click on the download launcher. As you can see, the downloading has been started. Okay, my downloading has been finished. Right click and show in folder. And this is the setup, and right click and click on the install button. You can change the directory where you want to install the Epic Game Launcher, but I will highly recommend to install your Epic Game Launcher in C drive and click on the install button. Click on the yes. Click on the update button and click on the yes. It will take some time to downloading the update and depending on your internet speed. When you open the Epic Games Launcher for the first time, it will ask you to sign in. If you have already an Epic Game account, enter your email and password to log in. And if you don't have an account, you can create an account easily. And even you will see the different options. You can use Google, Facebook or other accounts. Choose any option and complete the sign up process by entering your detail. I have an account. I will just enter the email address and password to sign in. When your Epic Game Launcher will be open for the first time, click on the Unreal Engine. You can see the different tabs of the Unreal Engine. Click on the Library tab and click on the plus icon. And I will highly recommend to download the latest version of the Unreal Engine. Click on the install button. And first of all, choose your directory where you want to install your Unreal Engine. And I will highly recommend to install your Unreal Engine in C drive, but you can choose whatever you want. And click on the option button, and by default it's checked and these are unchecked. And click on the apply button and click on the install and click on the yes button. Okay, it will take some time depending on your internet speed. That's it for this video. I will show you how to create your first project. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. See you in the next video.